Next-level Wi-Fi in Slinex AI devices. The entire setup process is done directly from the intercom menu. To connect the intercom to Wi-Fi, first open the device menu. Go to Settings and select Network. In the net pairing mode, set it to QR code. This option allows you to connect the device to the app by scanning a QR code. Make sure that cloud services are not connected and note the UUID, the device's serial number, which is displayed here. Next, tap the gear icon to configure Wi-Fi. From the list of available networks, select your network, for example, Studio, and enter the password. Once connected successfully, you will see a confirmation message, a QR code for adding the intercom to the mobile app, and an assigned IP address. Remember that the Wi-Fi network must operate at 2.4 GHz. To add the intercom to the mobile app, open the app, tap the plus icon, select Scan QR code, and scan the code generated in the intercom's network settings. Wait just a few seconds while the system adds the intercom. You will then see that the device has been successfully connected. Tap the Done button, and now everything is working.